This article is being read by an automated voice. Chapter 1, Point 2. Natural Refrigerants Training accelerates worldwide. Ensuring technicians are properly trained to install and service refrigeration systems using natural refrigerants is key to accelerating their adoption in both mature and emerging markets. While ammonia is well known around the world, CO2 presents new challenges related to high pressures and emerging technologies such as ejectors, and propane raises flammability concerns. Government bodies, developmental organizations, manufacturers, and nonprofits are working to solve the training problem. The recently revised EU F-gas regulation, which became law in March 2024, requires the bloc's member states to establish a certification program for technicians working with natural refrigerants. Outside of Europe, the GIZ, or German Society for International Cooperation, has trained technicians in emerging markets on natural refrigerant systems. In 2024, the GIZ Proclima's Green Cooling Initiative hosted propane-based refrigeration system workshops in Vietnam and Honduras, flew Brazilian technicians to Germany to learn how to handle natural refrigerants, and hosted an online training program focused on supermarket CO2 systems with ejectors. Along with the GIZ, the United Nations Development Programme's Cool Up program hosted a workshop in Egypt on managing natural refrigerants in small-capacity commercial systems, a technical and safety training course in Turkey, and a hands-on course for HVAC technicians in Jordan. In the U.S., manufacturers have teamed up with the North American Sustainable Refrigeration Council, or NASRC, a nonprofit organization that promotes natural refrigerants in supermarkets, to host free multi-day training summits on CO2 and propane systems. In 2024, the NASRC hosted 3 training summits across the country, with its final event in Seattle attracting participation from more than 10 OEMs and manufacturers, including Hillphoenix, Copeland, and Danfoss. A lack of trained natural refrigerant technicians in established and emerging markets will continue to pose a challenge for the adoption of CO2 and propane-based refrigeration systems. However, it is clear that the training issue is receiving attention from multiple sources, and efforts to upskill techs will only increase as F-gases are phased out due to political and market forces.